Hello everyone, welcome to Next Friction Zone. If you are new to this channel, this is a motovlog that follows me on all of my two-wheel adventures. I ride my bike, which is a Harley Davidson RN883. And I also do occasional motorcycle tutorial videos that cover safety and best practice scenarios in an urban environment. Alright, so guys, today I decided to take a little ride on the PCH today. So it's just right out of the 10th freeway on the Santa Monica Pier, all the way up to the Malibu area past Will Rogers. This is just a little ride in the middle of the afternoon. There was quite a bit of traffic. I guess everybody decided to go to the beach that day, as you can see. But you know, the beach is the beach. Still get you smell the fresh salt air. It was nice, very nice. Well, yeah, here it is, and enjoy the footage. Talk to you later. Bye. And we're finally reaching my destination. It's a little, actually a little parking lot right by Mastro's Ocean Club restaurant. It's somewhere in between Topanga Beach and Malibu. Um, this place is memorable for me for a couple of reasons, but one reason is this is, my dad and I, we used to fish together all the time. It was our father's son thing, and this is actually the last place that I had a chance to spend father and son time with my dad fishing. Right here, and yeah, it was memorable. It was. I'll never forget this. At the time I didn't realize it was gonna be the last time that we would spend together. As some of you guys know, my dad passed away early in February this year. But yeah, this place will always have a place in my heart. Dad, if you're listening, love you. I can't wait to see you again in heaven, where we'll be fishing together soon again. Yeah, this is all I have for today, guys. Thanks for staying here till the end. I'll see you guys later. Take care of yourselves. Bye.